Welcome. In this presentation, we will explore fundamental tools known as data structures. These tools help us store, manage, and sort information within computers. Think of them as special containers that make organizing data easier. Arrays are like ordered rows of storage boxes. Each box holds a specific item, a number, a word, anything. You can access these items by referring to their box number. It's like having a bunch of label shelves to quickly find what you need. Imagine a chain of links, each with its own piece of information. Linked lists allow us to string these links together, creating a sequence. Unlike arrays, where items sit side by side, linked lists offer flexibility by connecting pieces in a series. Visualize a stack of plates. You add and remove plates from the top. Stacks in programming work similarly, managing elements in a last-in, first-out manner. It's like handling a pile of papers, where the one you added last is the one you grab first. Queues are akin to waiting in line. People are served based on their arrival order. In programming, they help us prioritize tasks or process items systematically. Imagine customers at a checkout. The first to line up is the first to be served. Trees organize data hierarchically, like a family tree. The top is the root, and items branch out like family members. It's a powerful way to represent relationships between data elements, much like ancestors and descendants in a family. Graphs consist of dots, nodes, connected by lines, edges. These dots can represent various things, while the lines show connections. Graphs help us map intricate relationships, from social networks to computer networks. Hash tables are like a fast lookup dictionary. They convert keys, like words, into specific addresses, making retrieval lightning fast. Think of it as finding a word's meaning by flipping to the right page in a dictionary instantly. Picture a heap of toys. The most important one is always on top. Heaps help us prioritize data, making the most significant item easily accessible. Just as you'd reach for the top toy, heaps ensure we quickly access the most relevant information. Sets are like a bag of unique items. Each item appears once, and order doesn't matter. Sets help us manage distinct things, like keeping track of who's at a party without repeats. Maps or dictionaries are like a reference book. You look up a word, key, and it gives you its meaning, value. These tools help us store and quickly retrieve related information, just like using a dictionary to define words. And that's our journey through data structures. These tools provide ways to arrange and manage information effectively. Remember, the more you practice, the more you'll master these powerful tools for programming and problem solving.